Okay guys, so I sadly did not get a FNAF plushie, but I got something cool. I got the common loon Audubon bird I wanted, and it looks so cool. So I got my expanders off, and I'm so happy, and I'll tell you more on the next video about it. So this is the Audubon bird that I wanted, and I'm so excited. So, yep, this is one of my favorite Audubon bird plushies that I really wanted. Oh my gosh, this is so hard to open. I've been waiting for like 8 days for this thing. Oh my gosh, it won't open. It won't open. This is hard to open, man. Is there a hole somewhere? Hold on, I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I just had to get some scissors. Okay, yeah, this is like really hard to open, so I got scissors. Okay. I might get a FNAF plushie on June, maybe. Yeah. And there it is. There's the birdie. So cute. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Audubon wild birds with real bird calls, common loon. Is there any? Oh, there's facts in here. That's cool. That's pretty cool. Okay, Sue. The head does not look from the picture, but it's okay. I still like it. Okay, here's the call. Oh my god, that is so pretty! Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Let me do it again. I love that call so much.
Wow.
It's so cute. Oh, hi, boy. What are you doing? What's up? What are you doing? Okay, well, yeah, that's just my dog. He was sniffing my knee. Okay. So, it's so soft. It's like so soft. And this is so cute. So, you guys, sadly, my FNAF plushie got canceled. So, I had to get a Audubon bird instead because there was no cheap FNAF plushies. It was sad, but I got this bird. And I'm happy. It's so cute. Don't think I'm annoying. Okay. Poor Tuff's like, what the heck is that? Which I was like, what is that? Is that a doggy? It's not a doggy, it's a bird. So yeah, I'm really happy I got this. The call is like, it sounds like a high-pitched wolf or something. Yeesh. And now it's added in my Audubon bird collection. And I also have my expanders off. So yay. I'm really happy. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.